I'm here now with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. Boy, the wind still makes it chilly out there, and I know a lot of people want to get out in the yard and do some work this weekend.
They'll be able to do it on Saturday.
Perfect.
Sunday, most likely not. But right now, we still have some strong winds out there. They've been gusting to 35+ miles per hour throughout the day today. A few areas getting a little stronger winds, like in Holland, where it made 49 miles an hour, down to around 30+ miles per hour right now. And the winds will continue to die down a little bit this evening once the sun goes down. Storm system moving off to our north and west is going to be moving out of the region. That's why the winds will be lightening up. But downwind of Lake Michigan with a south-southwest wind, it's only in the low to mid 40s. Once you get away from the lake, outside of the shadow of the cooler lake waters, it's climbed to 50. In fact, it's still around 60 and even 64 in downtown Detroit. We had clearing skies throughout the late morning and afternoon. Some of the clouds wrapping around that big low pressure system have moved back in for at least a little while, but they'll move on out later on tonight. All of the precipitation is moving away from Lake Michigan and lower Michigan now, and we will be dry up until about Sunday morning. Again, the winds will start to pick up again on Sunday out of the east and northeast as the next storm system comes in. It will start as some rain prior to daybreak on Sunday and then change over to some sloppy snow as we climb up to only around 40 now, but dry weather for the most part Monday and next Tuesday before the next round of rain, and it'll be all rain from Wednesday through early next Friday. We'll take a look at your weekend outlook and into next week as well to see if spring is indeed going to stick around. That's a little bit later on. After some spring showers and late night thunderstorms, skies cleared as promised throughout the day today, and the winds are starting to come down just a little bit. 13 weather ball is green, and that means no change to our cooler weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a high of 58 during the afternoon. Never got above 54. We were just a little bit in the shadow of Lake Michigan, so we didn't get quite as warm as our neighbors 20 miles to the east, so we'll start another 3-degree accuracy streak here during the day tomorrow. Skies are going to clear this evening and will be clear and sunny all day tomorrow as we climb out of the mid-30s to around 48 in the afternoon. Just a slight bit cooler than what we had during the day today. At least the winds will be a lot lighter than they've been the last 24 hours. Still a kind of breezy inland here tomorrow, still a little bit unstable because of our highs in the upper 40s. And then on Sunday, we're going to start with some rain that will change over to some sloppy snow, and the winds are going to pick up this time out of the east and northeast with highs only around 40. So what is going to fall is going to be melting. I don't think all of it will melt, at least all at once. And then dry for the most part Monday and Tuesday before some more wet weather comes in on Wednesday. That will be mostly Wednesday night through next Friday morning. But right now we've got a cool, dry Easter with temperatures around 50 degrees. The showers ended very early this morning. They moved quickly off to the east. We've had momentary clearing, and now some of these clouds rotating around that big low pressure system off to our north and east is moving back in, but they'll thin on out as we get through the late evening hours, and the winds with that are also going to die down. Breezy inland here during the day tomorrow. Lakeshore areas, you're going to have a little bit of cooling effect from Lake Michigan, so you'll just see lighter southwest winds than we will inland. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast starting tonight. Watch the clouds come and go and actually just fall apart off to our north and west, so most areas will stay mainly clear. Now, if you're up around Ludington, Big Rapids, you may see these clouds hang around at least for a little while here tonight and tomorrow. Other than that, sunny skies with that southwest winds. Notice here, winds only about 8 miles an hour at the lakeshore. Once you get inland, and they're up to around 20 to 25. Saturday night will start out clear, but the clouds will roll on in. You notice the rain started prior to daybreak, and it may change over to some sloppy snow, and this may be mainly snow throughout the day now on Sunday, and that will linger on into Sunday evening before it finally moves on out by Monday morning. We'll be back into sunshine when you wake up in the day on Monday, and then more clouds for Monday afternoon and Monday night. There's a chance of a sprinkle Monday night, Tuesday morning, but the bulk of the rain will come in later in the day on Wednesday and for Wednesday night. Going to be a lot of rain, and then on Thursday a cold front will come through, and that may bring some showers and an isolated thunderstorm with it. By Friday, we'll see clearing skies, and over the weekend, next weekend, Easter weekend, a lot of sunshine both Saturday and again on Sunday as well. In terms of rainfall, we're looking at about 1/4 to as much as a 1/2 inch of rain, and all of that will come during the day on Sunday, and then we reset the clock for later on next week. We'll see perhaps another 1/2 to 1 inch. And in terms of snowfall, this will be overnight Sunday into early Monday, we could see maybe a couple of tenths of an inch of snow, and then that will be it. Skies will be sunny or mostly sunny here tomorrow with highs in the mid-40s. Up north, we can expect mid-40s and upper 40s. Bit breezy away from the lakeshore here, and from Grand Rapids southward will become a little bit breezy in the afternoon as well, with highs right around 50. 13 on your side forecast. 49 tomorrow, 41 on Sunday, and we'll stay in the 40s Monday. Jumping into the 60s now Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, and then we'll cool off again next weekend with highs around 50 to the low 50s for the Easter holiday weekend.